Also known as El Fraile Island, is a man-made island off the coast of the Philippines, designed to resemble a massive battleship. Built after the Spanish-American War, served as a strategic defense post for Manila Bay. The island, crafted from reinforced concrete, mimicked the shape of a battleship with two large gun batteries. Despite its imposing appearance, Fort Drum fell into Japanese hands during World War II until American forces reclaimed Manila in 1945. In a strategic move, the Americans set the fortified island ablaze, causing a fire that raged for days, resulting in the demise of almost 100 Japanese soldiers. After the war, Fort Drum was abandoned, leaving behind a burnt-out base and rusting guns, resembling a ghost ship frozen in time.